because of, it's basically saying because you chose to have your fees taken out, it won't let us change that. Go ahead and hit cancel here.
Okay.
Let's try one other thing. She's saying she doesn't see a fix either. She's still looking, but she doesn't see a fix.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit back.
Okay.
We'll try one more thing.
Okay, get ready to e-file. Go back again.
Okay. Hit the back button.
Okay, and one more step.
Go to revisit under step 2.
Okay, revisit.
Actually, see if you can revisit on step 1.
Got it. Okay.
Just see if it will allow us to change this, even though your fees were already taken out.
Okay, your refund total and so on and coming back up. Alright, and where I'm going to go, I'm down to where it says view payment options.
Yeah, go ahead and click view payment options.
Okay. Okay, would you like to, pay with credit card, with the federal refund, which is what I did originally.
Yeah, I don't think go ahead and hit back, and let's go to step 2 and see if it allows us to, I think that's just asking you for your identity and your bank account under step 2, but.
Okay. Let's see.
You have to hit back again.
Here we go. Okay. Are you watching?
Yes, I'm watching.
Okay. Okay. Try revisit 1.
No, because we don't want to. I don't think it'll charge it again, but we don't want to try to charge it again because you've already paid for it.
Right.
Go ahead and let's see step 3 again, and let's see if by chance we missed a section where you cannot do your federal. I'm pretty sure we didn't, but.
Okay.
She says she's going to keep looking into why we try this. Go ahead and hit I want to e-file.
Okay. Okay, continue?
Yeah, hit continue.
Okay, everything here looks good still. Yeah, continue. Okay, and now Patricia's. Okay, it was those three letters there that some reason the state
that all looks right.
didn't like. Okay, go through the signed agreements.
Yeah, let's go through all them again.
Good. Disclosures. I agree. Okay, yes, where citizens continue. And please wait to register your information. Okay, consent, yes, and they're correct, and agree. I always wondered that her last name being different, but the last couple of years it's been the same. So.
Yeah, it seems like what it's doing is it's trying to submit your federal again first.
Which is kicking it. Yeah.
Since your state fees were taken from your federal refund based on your payment option. And so that's what's saying is it's duplicating your social from your federal.
So it's got to
because you technically already filed that.
Okay, got it.
Go ahead and hit continue here again.
Okay.
I think that was the only place that we had the option for it.
Okay, and today's date, and you'll go through the robot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's going to do it again, but we might as well try while we're on this page. It doesn't hurt it.
Okay, got a green light, green check, and here we go. Like the first time I did it, once I got the green light, it didn't take it. It timed me out. And I think it's going to time out because normally that last time, the minute you hit it, it just went right on into. I think I'm going to get timed out. Yeah, it should have gone in. Should have gone in by now.
It's all right if it timed out as long as it didn't freeze up on you, because it's going to do the same thing again.
Yep. Yeah, I've still got the. You can tell the transmit box is black. Got a black line around it. Oh, there it went. I think. Yep. Verification expired.
That's all right. It's going to throw the same thing because it's still trying to do both. She has been looking while we were trying that too, and she hasn't found anything yet.
Okay. Yeah, it's always gonna file the federal first because I requested to have the money pulled out of the federal. Now, if I'd done that out of a credit card, it would have probably done the same. It would still pull federal first, but
well, I'm thinking not, because it wouldn't have had anything to do with your federal, because your fees would be connected to a credit card. Because you can file the federal and state usually at different times. Like, for instance, my state was not ready yet. The state of Illinois did not have their forms ready yet, so I wasn't allowed to file. So I was able to file my federal and then come back a week later and file my state, no problem.
Okay, but it did. But
I paid by credit card.
Oh, okay. Now in this case, it probably got a lot of people the same way. In your case, because your state wasn't allowed to take the state yet.
Well, it just depended how soon you wanted to file your federal. If you wanted to wait and do both of them together, or if you were just ready to go.
Okay.
On the 31st when the IRS started taking theirs.
I got it.
Okay. Would it be possible if we could take a little bit of time to have my manager look into this and give you a call back tomorrow?
Sure, that'd be fine.
Okay, and what time works good for you? I actually can schedule the call back, and I can call you myself since I will be on tomorrow evening again.
Oh, awesome. What time's good for you?
I will be on from 5:30 to 8 Central Time, so if I'm an hour ahead of you, anytime in between there, Central Time.
Okay, let's see, 8 o'clock. Same time tonight, if that's good with you.
Okay, so would 7:30 work? That way it'll give me enough time on the phone with you. 7:30 Central Time. Are you an hour behind? So 6:30.
Yeah. That would be good.
Ahead?
I think we're ahead. Yeah. So.
So it would be 8:30 your time.
That would be fine.
Okay. Let me get this information. Make sure I have the right phone number for you. And I have 585-905-8638.
That's correct.
Okay.
And what was your first name again?
My name is Regina.
Regina. Okay. Well, that's good.
And I will give you a call tomorrow night so that you don't have to call back in and get someone that doesn't know about it. And we will look and see if we can get a solution so that you do not have to mail it in. Because my manager also says that she thinks New York has to be e-filed, so I'm not sure if you can even mail it in.
I thought that was what I caught in some of the area here, especially when I kept messing around trying to get it so I could just print the file. And every time I went to do that, then something popped up and said something about you have to e-file through New York. So
yeah, so I think that might be that you do have to e-file. So let us try to put our heads together and figure out a way to get it taken care of, and then we'll give you a call back tomorrow evening.
That'd be fantastic, Regina. Thank you very much for your help, and we'll talk to you.
You're welcome.
Tomorrow.
Sorry we couldn't get it taken care of tonight, but we'll try to get it taken care of tomorrow.
That's all that matters. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You
Bye.
too. Bye-bye. Well, there we are. I know this video taking a little bit of time, but that's the way it goes. So Regina and her supervisor are going to work on this, and like they said, we're going to, as far as we know, New York requires you to e-file. So we're going to go from there, and I just saw her disappear from controlling, or at least viewing my screen. So thanks for watching, and we're going to try it again tomorrow night, and at least I know it's nothing I did. You know, it's just the way the system is. And just like we were discussing, the fact that the new presidential tax reform came in just before December kicked in, and now you got, you know, all your tax preparers are scuffling to get all the laws in effect, and that's got to be a nightmare when it comes to internet taxes, such as, you know, TurboTax. I'm not sure what other. I know there's other companies now that are out there doing the same thing TurboTax did. So, but at least I know that it's nothing I did, and they're gonna bust their ass and try and get this squared away. Not only that, but once they figure it out for me, it's going to help other people who are having the exact same problem. So, all right, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next What's New.